Welcome to Next Gen Templates. Today we are looking at the SaaS Financial Model Dashboard in Google Sheets. If you run a SaaS business or manage subscription-based revenue, this dashboard gives you a complete financial picture covering your recurring revenue, unit economics, cash flow, and much more. Let's dive right in. We start with the overview page. On the left side, you can see high-level KPI cards showing your total MRR, total ARR, average lifetime value, average CAC, and total customers. These give you an instant snapshot of how your SaaS business is performing. Moving to the right, we have a breakdown of your subscription status distribution showing active, churned, trial, and paused subscribers. Next to that, you can see your MRR by plan type across starter, professional, enterprise, and custom tiers. At the bottom, the monthly MRR trend tracks how your monthly recurring revenue has moved throughout the year. And beside it, MRR versus expenses by quarter helps you compare revenue against costs over each quarter. Now let's move to the revenue page. Here we focus on the revenue side of the business. The KPI cards show your MRR growth from Q1 to Q4, average MRR per customer, enterprise MRR share, and churn rate. On the right, MRR by region breaks down your recurring revenue across North America, Europe, Asia Pacific, Latin America, and the Middle East. Below that, MRR by plan type per quarter lets you compare how each plan tier is contributing to revenue across quarters. And the monthly ARR trend shows how your annualized recurring revenue has progressed month over month throughout the year. Next up, we have the unit economics page. This is where you understand the profitability of each customer. The cards display your LTV to CAC ratio, average payback period in months, gross margin, and active customers. On the right side, LTV versus CAC by plan type shows the relationship between customer lifetime value and acquisition cost across different plan levels. Below that, average LTV versus CAC by plan compares these two metrics side by side for each tier. The monthly average LTV trend tracks how your customer lifetime value has changed over the year, and the MRR distribution shows how your recurring revenue is spread across different ranges. If we head over to the cash flow page, this is all about understanding your money movement. The KPI cards highlight net cash flow, total expenses, burn rate as a monthly average, and your revenue to expense ratio. On the top right, expenses by industry breaks down where your costs are going across technology, healthcare, finance, education, manufacturing, and retail. The monthly revenue versus expenses trend compares your income and spending side by side each month. And the quarterly net cash flow shows your net position across each quarter, so you can quickly spot whether you are burning or building cash. We also have a search page built right into this dashboard. You can search by record ID and instantly see all the details for that specific customer, including their plan type, subscription status, MRR, ARR, CAC, LTV, and monthly expense. On the right side, it also shows all records that share the same plan type, making it easy to compare similar customers. Now let's look at the data sheet. This is where all your raw data lives. You can see columns for record ID, date, customer ID, plan type, customer name, subscription status, MRR, ARR, CAC, LTV, monthly expense, payment method, region, and industry. Simply update this sheet with your own data and the entire dashboard will refresh automatically. You can download this template from the link in the description below. Visit nextgentemplates.com to explore more ready-to-use dashboards and templates. Thank you for watching.